Hey there, it's Lewis. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Let's get started. I used to use this when I first started in service, doing service work. I really like this bag. Even though I don't use it anymore, I still am fond of it. I got this bag through a trade-off with another technician, and so I wanted to go over the benefits of having this bag. It is lightweight, small, as you can see how I have it in my hands, and I'm gonna stock it the way I used to, so that you can see what fits in there and what I carried in there. Again, you might use it for different purposes, but I just wanted to show you this bag because I think it's neat, even though mine is wearing out, getting holes in it and everything. So in the inside, in this little back pocket, what I used to carry a container. I used to carry a container with some extra wire nuts, crimp tools, fuses, stuff like that, screws. I used to put that in there. I also carried it with a brush to brush stuff off, you know, clean off some terminals or anything like that, to keep stuff neat. Inside, I carried my multimeter, which right here I have a UEI multimeter. I used to put that in there. That fits in there nice. And then I also used to carry this temp probe for my multimeter to get temperatures of line sets, refrigerant lines, and that normally fits at the bottom. And I also used to put a multi-tool in it because again, it's a small bag, so what you want to do is minimize how much stuff you're putting in here. So I had a Phillips flathead, the 5/16 Schrader tool remover. This is a nice tool to have. I'll put that in the corner, okay? And if you wanted to go all out and just, again, not carry gauges or anything like that, if you have your stubby, your high side stubby, you could probably fit that in there somewhere. Fit there. And there goes your inside. That's your inside. Now for the outside. What I used to carry in this pocket, a couple of hand tools, angle cutters. Fit them in there nice. I used to carry this multi-tool, crimp tool, wire strippers, and a needle nose. Fits in there. Vice grip pliers. Fits in there. And an adjustable wrench. And that will close up nice. It used to close the Velcro. Now, again, this was passed down to me from another technician, and by the time I got it, this Velcro kind of sticked, but now it doesn't stick anymore at all. But I still love this bag. On the side, what I used to carry is a flashlight. I'll put it right here. A knife, pocket knife or Milwaukee knife. And again, I liked it because I always can have my tools sit on that pocket really well, and I'll just fit a marker in there just in case I need it. In this back area, I will always strap on electrical tape. And on this side, I'll have some temperature probes that will fit in there nicely. Have my temperature probes. And again, in this little pocket up front as well, have some extra bits that could fit in there. I'll have this Schrader depressor and some jumpers, some wire jumpers, and pretty much that was it. That's how I carried my VETO bag. And again, it's a small bag, it's lightweight, have pretty much what you need to do a couple of maintenances, checking out a system. Maybe you have a small issue, small wire that's loose or anything like that, pretty much can diagnose it with this bag. Again, it's a small VETO bag, and I'm going to take out everything just so you can see everything that fits in it. That's my VETO MB. That's everything that fits in there. Everything that you can carry, well, that I can carry in this MB VETO pack. Maybe it'll be different for you, but this is what I carried on a daily, starting off with my first VETO bag.